friends, running kimono here. So this is your Walgreens preview for the week of February the 2nd to the 8th. It's going to be a really great P&G week, cheap tide and a bunch of deals this specific week. So on Thursday, a lot of us got different boosters. The top one is a basket one, 7 back when you spend 40 plus. That is in-store and online. The bottom two are online only. 15 back when you spend 45 on select P&G products. Make 5 purchases, $30 plus, get $20 of Walgreens cash. That one is progressive, and it's both online and in-store. Forgive me for that. And the other two that we also received are online only. A 3 back when you buy 2 Pantene products, and then a 6 back when you buy 4 dental care products. Go into your digital coupons folder, load all of them, and they will definitely be coming into play next week. And on the first page, the overall basket one and then the progressive is both in store, and the rest are online. Let's not forget. I'd like for you guys to treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital coupons, will be published in the Walgreens app on February the 2nd, which is Sunday. As we're getting a week from the Super Bowl, there's going to be a lot of food deals, pairing it with IBOTTA rebates. We're going to have to see how that plays out as the week marches on. If you could do me a huge kindness and give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you could take a second and like the video. And I know a lot of you love these cat photos. So Little Miss Dollar General with her 10-cent haul, she was very busy last Tuesday. And yeah, I don't even know how she drove the car to the store, but she got it done. So let's hop right into this. The first we're going to talk about is the 4 off 2 digital coupon for the Toms of Maine. And that works on both the toothpaste and the deodorant. The only 2 products that are basically sold over at Walgreens. They are BOGO 50% off. And I know specifically the deodorant and the toothpaste, a lot of it's been on clearance. If you can find around $4-ish of this stuff, possibly a freebie for you. And remember, BOGO 50% off, that's probably going to apply as well to the clearance. So if you can get to that $4 mark, you can get some free Toms of Maine. And I know I have seen it at multiple stores in the regular section, all of this stuff on clearance. You're in that toothpaste aisle, let's grab some Colgate for $4, $3 reward when you buy 2, and a 4 off 2 digital coupon, so make sure you have it loaded. So 2 of those, subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $4, get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing this deal with no booster. For those of you who are like, what's a booster? These are boosters. The top one's a paper one that comes from the store. The bottom one is a digital one. And when you're trying to spend a certain amount, you're not supposed to use Walgreens cash for the balance. So these are boosters, in case you were wondering, for all the new shoppers out there. Moving it along with the Tresemme at $7. Now, if you remember, those bottles towards the center of the picture are always $6, and now they're $7. We've noted that, Walgreens. Grabbing 2 of the products at $7 a pop, that's $14. Subtracting your digital coupon, you're going to pay $9. Get back a $4 register reward, making it 5 for 2 or $2.50 per. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn that register reward. And let's not forget, deals with register rewards are in-store only. Okay, the next deal that we're looking at is with the Schick disposable razors, priced at $6.99, $5 reward when you spend $20. So what we're going to do is grab at least a men, a woman, and then maybe another ladies one for $20.97. Load the 2 $3 coupons for $6 off. You're going to pay $14.97 with your debit card. As it said, to spend $20 to get back $5. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $9.97 for the 3 or $3 and some change per. And do not use Walgreens cash for this transaction, as the verbiage of the deal is to spend $20 to get back $5. In the last week, a lot of us have been ordering single prints for like 41 cents, and then out of the machine at the store, this has been printing the booster, which is a paper one, a 5 back when you spend 15. So, I mean, take a gamble if it'll print for you. It's definitely worth the 41 cents to try. And don't forget to punch in your phone number when you're checking out to ensure that it'll print. That's how I've been getting it to print. So the next deal we're going to look at, we're going to utilize one of these guys. And for this one, we are going to grab 4 of the P&G products, hopefully ones with high valuable digitals. I know usually for the laundry care products, there's always about $5 of coupons. Grabbing 4 of those products is $21.96, subtracting $5 in digitals. You're also going to get the cashier to scan your paper booster of 5 back when you spend $15. With your debit card, you're going to pay $16.96. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash and a $5 register reward. That's $10 back, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per. Very good deal. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay as you're using a booster with this deal. Now, another deal using our friend, the 5 back when you spend 15, is with the Listerine. And we haven't had a really good Listerine deal in a minute. So this one I'm actually excited about. $5 reward when you spend 15 or more. So we're going to get the $11.99, the larger Listerines. And we have a chintzy dollar digital coupon, but I guess it's better than a kick in the pants. So grabbing 2 of the $11.99 Listerines. I actually need to grab some of this, so I'm happy this deal is here. It's $23.98. Get the cashier to scan your booster. You're subtracting that $1 digital coupon. You're going to pay $22.98, and then you're getting back $5 in Walgreens cash for the booster, $5 register reward for Listerine, and a $5 e-card. So it makes it $7.98 for the 2 or $3.99 for an $11.99 mouthwash. Not bad. And do not use any Walgreens cash to pay as you're using a booster with this deal. Now, guys, there is this thing that's cited. It says participating Kenvue products, and Listerine is part of it. It says $5 e-card. But I kind of did my research here. You actually have to spend $20 to achieve that. So that's why we're getting more than the 15. And activate rewards / rewards Walgreens, big long thing. And here it is, the bottom one. It says buy 20, get a $5 e-gift card. So you will achieve that, and Listerine is part of it. Arm & Hammer is back with a buy 1 get 2 for free. Typically when it's that price, it's like $2.30-ish per unit. So if you love Arm & Hammer, this would be the week to stock up. Guys, the final honorable mentions are pretty much Super Bowl foods. The first is the DiGiorno pizza on a buy 1 get 1 free. That is a very good dealio. I know that IBOTTA had a rebate, but it's Walmart and Dollar General exclusive. Sorry, guys. We also have a BOGO free on the chips for Doritos and Lay's. Any sort of snack, pizza, pop, the stuff to, for your Super Bowl party. They're really trying to push this stuff this week. So if you love snacks, even if you don't care about the Super Bowl, this is the week to make it happen. And I'm predicting IBOTTA is going to have some really nice rebates too as the week marches on. 3 for $13.99 if you love your soda. Not a bad price point. And we have the 2 for $10 for the drumsticks. So you can have pizza, chips, soda, and then end the night with the drumstick and your favorite team winning, or just have a really great night doing something else. And we have BOGO free on the Pringles and BOGO free on the Cheez-Its. So lots of snacking food. Be on the lookout for that, and we will talk about it more next week. And that's it for this video. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.